Yes, we have many species of the trees. We have elcontic, we have Olea africana, we have red cedar, yes. We have croton.
What about Mogumo? The fig tree?
We have fig tree.
Is this here?
Yeah.
I wish I can.
Where is it? Where is the cedar tree?
It is down here.
Yes, must go to the cedar tree. I need the wax for my what do you call this? That instrument they gave me yesterday.
Can I try you?
No, the tight. The shoes are tight. I need some cedar. I need a cedar wax for my what was it? They gave me that instrument there. What do you call it? Gandindi, yes. They said you must use cedar wax. Oh.
Where is it? Red cedar.
Red cedar. I will show you.
Okay. Good.
This is refreshing. Huh? This is refreshing.
Yes. So be careful with this. This is a stinging nettle.
Metal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stinging nettle.
Yeah.
If you touch it.
When you touch it on this side, they will sting your body. Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
Don't worry, no one has been beaten.
But they are friendly.
No one has been beaten. Don't. Unless you are so evil. You'll be the first one.
So this one is an elcontic. It is a hardwood. This one. Sometimes many people use for furniture. They were using another tool. It was using for constructions, the houses.
There we are.
Three. Other people they were using like the medicine.
Medicine?
Yeah.
What kind of medicine?
You can see the back of this tree.
What kind of medicine? Like what?
So many. Masame inatibu nini?
Malaria. Yeah.
Okay. Let me try to assist. It used to heal all our forefathers' diseases. No, I don't know whether we even had malaria.
You have a small knife, chief. I need a small bucket.
Unapiga ama unakula tukiwa live?
Live.
Live? Okay, the Bible says
a small knife.
Or keys, yeah.
The fresh one, the fresh one.
Sasa ilikuwa inafanya malaria na nini?
Typhoid.
Click.
Amepanda na nikamwambia niingie kwenye. Hadi miti kukua ndiye kwa so many years.
That's it. Trees are alive. You feel it?
I do feel it.
Wow. Wow. Where's Mr. Dawson? He remained up there.
Yeah, he remained up there.
So that big tree we call fig tree. That one. This one.
Big one.
Big one. That is the fig tree.
Sorry?
That one. The big tree is we call fig tree.
Fig tree.
Fig tree.
Yeah.
But these are cut.
No, that one. You see, this, just a minute.
Is it the Mugumo?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the Mugumo. This is where This is where the Kikuyus
Yeah.
do all their rituals. So, wow.
That big one, are we allowed?
Yeah.